This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Memoji not working on iPhone problem. So follow these quick solutions to fix Memoji not working problem on iPhone. So the first method is open your control center, tap and hold on brightness, and make sure to enable true tone option here. Once done, go to your settings, tap on general, tap on keyboard, scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will get here Memoji stickers option. So to fix this problem, enable Memoji stickers here. Once done, check the issue. And the next solution is update your iOS version and reset all settings. Go to general, tap on software update. If you see any update available, then update your iOS version. And if you can't see the update version, or if you're using the latest version of iOS, then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.